नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है गरिमा और आज मैं आपके सामने अपने देश के बारे में कुछ प्रकट करना चाहूँगी। इंडिया इंडिया इन हिंदी नोन एज भारत। लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द इंडियन कल्चर। भारत के कल्चर के बारे में हम जानते हैं। भारत में 29 राज्य और 7 यूनियन टेरिटरीज हैं। भारत का मौसम हर जगह अलग अलग रहता है। इट डिपेंड्स ऑन प्लेस टू प्लेस, एज यू कैन सी इन दिस डायग्राम। अगर हम बात करें भारत में धर्म की, तो भारत में बहुत सारे धर्म हैं। हिंदुइज़्म, जैनिज़्म, बुद्धिज़्म, सिखिज़्म, इस्लाम एंड क्रिश्चियनिटी। भारत में भौतिक विभिन्नताएं बहुत हैं। हम यहाँ पर राज्य में नदियाँ, पहाड़, आइलैंड सब कुछ देख सकते हैं। अब जानते हैं इंडिया को लेकर होने वाले कुछ मिथ, कुछ फैक्ट्स के बारे में जो बताते हैं। Indian don't eat beef. Indians don't eat beef. Next fact is no development in India. Another is Indians are black in color. All Indians are poor. Indian has a caste system. Unsafe. These are the myth fact about India. Now we're gonna look one by one. Do Indians don't eat beef? More than 80 million people eat beef, including 12.5 million Hindus. As you can see in the picture, some part of India people like to eat beef, but other they do papaya. Like you can see Kerala, Goa, Assam, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Telangana, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Nagaland and Tripura are the state where there are no restriction on cow slaughter as per existing meat export policy in India. Another, are all Indians black in color like me? No. You can see different skin color according to the region. Like you can see there are two Bollywood actresses, which is one is fair, one is dark in complexion. Do India has racism or casteism? Yeah, in India basically Hindu people divided into 4 major castes which were based on their work. And racism, India might have racism like other countries have. But remember, only Hindus have the caste system, not in any other religion in India, like in Muslims, like in Sikhs, we don't have racism or casteism. And racism is a term originally given by the Britishers, people to differentiate other country person and also black people. Now, the demographics of India. India is the second most populated country in the world. And we do speak too many languages. For that, we have one official language, which is English. Now we're going to talk about the Indian dance. So it depends on state by state. We do have more than 100 types of dance form. Bollywood, dance, drama, and many more about India. So you can see there are too many Bollywood things. Art and craft. And the interesting fact about India is the clothing style. So here you can see some women clothing, like the sari, like the skirt, which is called ghagra choli. In South India, there we have different type of clothing style like patu pavadi, mekhala sador, mundum. Men clothing is also different in India, like kurta pajama, dhoti, lungi, sherwani for marriages, pug, you can see Sikh people wear this, pagdi, and the hornbill cap. Yeah, but we do have some contemporary clothing. As you can see, this Bollywood couple wear different types of clothes according to the occasion. So do you think wearing bindi is difficult as having tattoo? Is it painful to wear bindi? Do you think so? I have something to show you. It's not difficult. You can have it very easily. Thank you very much.